The police from the Magoti station at about 12:30 a.m. acting on intelligence intercepted a white Mazda motor car. A search was done of the vehicle and the occupants, and it was revealed that a cow was found in the trunk. The driver of the vehicle was taken into custody pending further investigation. Prayer lasting has been a challenge in this parish. We have been doing a number of things with our farmers, including establishing a farmers watch. I want to appeal to anyone who has lost a cattle or a cow in any recent time to visit the Magoti police station or the Black River police station and to bring proper identification to be able to identify this cow.
Welcome back to MyView TV, the people's platform, the home of undiluted news, reviews, updates, and your daily dose of entertainment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in here to cheer for me. Everything what you see up my natural talent. Let me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple me.
Well, go on, my people. Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing alright. Still, I give thanks to life and the gathering. Watch me, I just wheel off some news. Every day I come and I tend to take the time on the road and now listen to me. See it there now? A 19-year-old is dead after a motorcycle collided with a Toyota Tundra motor truck in Runaway Bay, St. Anne last night. The deceased has been identified as Anthony Dawkins of Salem, Runaway Bay in the parish. Report reaching our news team from the police that about 7:30 p.m. Dawkins was riding his motorcycle along the roadway when he lost control and lick up in a one Tundra motor truck. Yes, people, right in the Tundra and lick up. You understand? The police and the fire brigade were called to the scene, and guess what? Then just pick up a little boy body and carry right up at the hospital. Go lay down on ice. Them no want hear. Them don't want hear me tell on the time after time after time if again take on the time on the road. See it there now? Me I read about you. Anyway, more news. A 23-year-old security guard has been charged with possession of a prohibited weapon after a firearm was seized during a targeted raid in Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew on August 25th. Charge is Roland Scully of Corner Bar in the parish. Report reaching our news team from the St. Andrew Police that about 9 a.m. a targeted raid was conducted at the home of Scully, during which 138 revolver was allegedly found in a brown backpack in his bedroom. He was taken into custody and subsequently charged. His court date is being finalized. Long time the people them tell us Scully have gone. I was sending around if I slap him on the door, slap him. Anyway, Joey and time. A 30-year-old laborer from Portland has been charged with possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and possession of ganja after a vegetable matter resembling ganja was seized. He is Joanne Montague of Ferry Hill. Report reaching our news team that about 5:15 p.m. lawmen are on operation in the area when the premises was searched. During the search, a firearm, ammunition along with vegetable matter resembling ganja was allegedly found. Montague was subsequently arrested and taken into custody and charged in the presence of his attorney. His court date is being finalized. Slap on, should I slap him? Anyway, now people watch your gun, one. Then find another gun. One black 6-Sugar submachine pistol and 34 rounds of ammunition were seized by the police during an operation in Pembroke yesterday. 2 men were taken into custody in connection with the seizure. Report from the Dwayne Park Police that about 5:40 a.m. lawmen were on a targeted operation when the premises was searched and the firearm and ammunition found. Investigation in that matter continues. Hold on a bit there now, people. I need enough to lend me on ears just for a second. You understand? A matter of fact, a couple of minutes. Time after time after time after time, we hear this thing here. Over and over and over again, and no one is held accountable. There is no way upon earth you can carry your good pitney going to the hospital if you go do a surgery, and the only thing you get when the surgery done is a pitney close. You not get no pitney. The next time you see a pitney, and I want casket you see a pitney, something wrong. Something is definitely wrong. As the family member say everything about the pitney, they good. Until them just carry the pitney, go perform the surgery. Pitney do the surgery, the pitney dead. I can make on the headphone yourself, keep back and relax, and hear wagwan pa wagwan in this Sunday evening.
Good morning, my views. I have a situation with my son. My son would have a bow leg. And every morning he used to get up and ball for him bow leg and thing. And me I carry him away. My boss him foot tired and it hurt him. So me and the mother come together and say, we're gonna break it. That is from last year, or November. So we're gonna break it and we'll go up at the Bustamante Children's Hospital and we'll get a appointment and we'll get the date of for April. So we'll get the date April now. And April come carry me in. It's a baby who drove and everything. Baby who can dance. We play local football and thing. And so we say alright, we'll break him foot and make him straight back and thing. So we carry me in the April. We'll get the appointment. And I'm going the 4th of April for do the appointment. And immediately the 4th, him do the appointment the 9th. Him do the appointment 9th of April. Him go through the surgery and everything. Him get discharged, come back out. When him get discharged, him go dress the foot 3 times. And the 3rd time when him go dress the foot, that was on Tuesday. And the 3rd time him dress the foot, them admit him and say him have an infection in my foot. So them give a paper for carry it down, for check it if the infection in him foot. But we carry the paper, no infection in foot. 2 times them give you the paper and no infection in the foot. And we care about the paper give them. Them admit the little boy. Admit him. And him dead. And one time he go to the doctor and say, doctor, so when him man get discharged? And the doctor said, daddy, you see him foot like it a broke out. So him can't get discharged. We have to change the medication and try to make it heal fast. Said the way the doctor said to me. So him have to try to change the medication and try to make it heal fast. Because him a play with the foot. The baby a play with the foot. I say, alright then, doc. So now him dead. Till one day now, Thursday, I go there. I feel him look away. I said, Daddy, look like you get sick, man. Until the man I said, Daddy, because I always buy food for him, fruits and burger, because I love burger and love fruits. I said, Daddy, don't buy no more burger for me and don't buy no more fruits and no juice for me. Alright, I don't want nothing to eat. Alright. I said, no, so Daddy, you our cause that I'm saying, tired him, Clyde, man. I don't want no more. I don't want no more. I said, alright, then I not buy no more for you. Because we buy enough things and it's pile up. I ask him, where you want? I'm saying, alright, buy KFC for me. I buy 3 pieces of KFC the Thursday and carry up there. And him no eat none of the KFC. Him no eat the KFC. The Friday I go back go see the KFC and the baby look sick. And the Saturday the grandmother go up there. Grandmother carry soup go give the Saturday. Me never go up there Saturday. The Saturday the grandmother carry soup go give. And if the grandmother give him look soup and him vomit it up back. Him vomit up back everything. Him drink it off, but him vomit up back everything that I sat there. The Sunday, cause the baby man always a call me and always a call me. Every day him call me and say, Daddy, you not come visit me, you not come look for me. Say, yeah man, I come up there, man. So the Sunday, me never get no call from him. None of time I get no call from him. I say, no sir, what did I do? What did Devon? What did him? So I go up there Monday morning early. Reach up there after 8 the Monday morning. So me go up there and see him, nah response, nothing. Me I them shut down. Me I wake him up, shake him. And I say, doctor, all the baby now wake up. And I say, Daddy, him so wake, man, him so wake. I tired, Daddy, him so wake. Cause him dey on the ward, round on the back, and when me go up there the Monday morning, him there near the nurse, them right at the front decks. So when me go there and see him now wake, I call him grandmother right away. And grandmother say, what Devon? I say, Daryl now wake up, you know. Daryl eye them now open. And she say, video call me and put the camera upon him. So I put the camera upon him and say, Devon, I come up there now, Devon. And she run, she reach quick. And she start make noise. So by the time she come on and make noise, the doctor them start rush and nurse start rush with the baby and take him off. And them take him off of the ward. Cause ward when him is there and them take him off of the ward and put him in the ICU. Intensive care. And then push him in the ICU. Them put him on this and put him on that. So I'm go in there go visit him and be things. Them same lungs. Him breathe, him stop breathe, him stop this, a machine of your breathe for him and them thing there. So everything now, put things through him tube, through him nose, tube and them thing there. So I tell everything just break down and everything. So they want to visit him and want to visit him. Till after we get an update of him, the doctor them say him have a kidney problem, him kidney damage, him brain damage. So I say, doctor, so that, what caused that? They must say them don't know what caused it. And no, them not tell you what caused it. What so you don't know what caused it? Them keep meeting with you, ask them every time them keep meeting. What caused it? If him have kidney problem and brain problem. Cause the baby come out good. And them admit by the baby say the baby foot have infection. Cause the doctor tell me, said them change the medication, you know, from the ward. Them change the medication to give him to make the foot can get better. Doctor tell me that. So by the time the medication they change, the baby just gets sick out. And I know say the medication sick out the baby and mash up the baby. So the baby sick out and this and that. Him up there about 3 months and hard. 3 months, cause from April him up there. And August 23rd, the baby died. Baby died August 23rd, but after 2, we get a lawyer on the case. The baby good. Cause Monday I go up there, the baby there good. I make him watch a phone. I'm a laugh. I watch a video with him when him dance and him a laugh. And the baby never talk, cause they make the baby not talk. Them say the baby I got deform. If him alive, him I got deform and them thing there. Now go walk and now go talk back. So the baby there, I'm get a lawyer now. And the lawyer send one letter so them want the medical report. So from the lawyer send the letter. The lawyer send the letter about Thursday. And from the lawyer send the letter, it just be a problem. Baby dead, Wednesday gone. Baby just dead. And I know I can't believe, and really I wonder why the baby, the whole family breakdown, the mother overseas well breakdown. My family, me breakdown. Friends breakdown. Everybody just breakdown. Cause I know I can't believe Them kill off the little baby. And from the lawyer go up there, send the letter up there. Them send back the letter, give the lawyer, so it reach up at the Ministry of Health. And from them send back that letter, the baby just dead Wednesday. I get a call from the grandmother. Grandmother is up there. Cause the grandmother did it, but after one with the baby. Grandmother did it after one with the baby, and she had talked to the baby, and the last thing she said, the baby just put up him hand. Baby put up him hand and him eye them shut. And then after she see the machine beep. And she said, nurse, look here, nurse. And by the time the nurse come and said, Grandma, you have to come off the ward, grandma. You have to come off the ward. And she said, what do you? I said, nothing, grandma, I'm alright, And by the time she outside, them come and tell the baby, the grandmother said the baby die. The grandmother call me and me go up there, go look for the baby. Baby is a dead baby. Baby dead. So, really need justice of this. We can't make this slide, son. Need justice. This really need justice. And this is not the first time this happened. This always happening up at the hospital. And this go away like that. I can't make my baby just go so. Need justice for this. We have all proof, all evidence. The baby never sick. The baby don't sick. The baby is a healthy, strong, jovial baby. Everybody love the little boy. Bright baby. Win school. Spellings be at school. Go to Lalaman's prep. The whole school breakdown for the baby. Everybody love the little baby. And I tell you, and from I get the lawyer, and we don't get a chance to him go overseas, and the doctor them overseas that say call up our children, and I try to get to them, and we don't know what them get to them, and the doctor them himself for get a medical report from them. Them give the medical report, we send it first. We send them it, and after a while they say it cancelled. Now they can't bother go. And from that, baby just get back down. Them just kill off the baby, man. I tell you, them kill off the baby. Kill off the baby. Everybody break down right now. Right now I can't even work. I'm well break down. I'm not sleep. From Wednesday here, I don't sleep. I can't eat.